Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create Payoneer account. First, go to the link that I'll leave down below in the description. It will redirect you to this page. Just click on open your account. And here it tells you that you should select the option that best describes you. So if you are a freelancer, go for this option. Online seller, you have marketplace or enterprise, small or medium-sized business. Here in my case, I will choose the option on the left. They will ask you another question. I'm looking to get paid and make payments globally, add funds from my bank account, convert currencies, etc. Simply send payments using a debit or credit via bank. I'll go for this option, and you should add your monthly volume. It's less than $10,000. Now you will have to click on register, and now they will ask you to provide some details about yourself, including the email. Once you add your email, click on next. They will send you a verification code, an OTP, then click on next. And now they will ask you more information. Just choose what is suitable to you. Enter here your first name. Now add your location, then tap on next, then add your phone number. And after that, you'll have to add your password, and you're all done. Now you can use this email. And once you create your email, you will now have to go to Payoneer login. And after that, you'll have to enter your email and password. They will give you an OTP through your phone. You'll have to enter it. Then you can easily access your account. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe, hit that bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye.